Hi, my name is Derek Giddos, Vice President of Supply Chain Product Strategy at Oracle. Welcome to this spotlight of Fusion Supply Chain 26A. We're committed to delivering innovation that matters to your supply chain organization. Our roadmap is based on three major themes. First, autonomous supply chains, built-in agents and workflows that drive massive productivity and performance gains. Second, empowering your teams, user experiences that are tailored to the needs of your frontline and back-office staff to maximize their efficiency and effectivity. And third, industry-driven innovation, new functionality based on the needs of specific industry segments, such as industrial manufacturing, high-tech, consumer products, life sciences, healthcare, and more. Let's start with a recap of the Oracle Fusion Cloud Supply Chain Suite. Oracle delivers the industry's most complete suite of supply chain applications with best-in-class functionality, from product development to supply chain planning, from manufacturing to order management, from procurement to logistics. Thousands of organizations around the world rely on Oracle for their most critical supply chain functions. Moreover, we've embedded artificial intelligence across the suite with dozens of AI features that you can put to work today. We make it simple for you to operationalize AI by having it built into the applications where the work gets done. The same applications your team uses every day to design products, forecast demand, plan supply, procure goods, manufacture products, fulfill orders, service assets, and more. No additional technology, no additional integration, no obstacles, only opportunity. Let's get the 26A highlights started with product lifecycle management. With me today is my colleague, John Kelly.
Thanks, Derek. Hi, I'm John Kelly, Vice President, PLM Product Strategy. In 26A, we provide new Redwood capabilities with a modern, intuitive, and consistent user experience designed to increase productivity and reduce errors. We've used Redwood guided workflows and tasks, responsive user interfaces, and automation-driven features that simplify complex activities such as product data management, change control, onboarding, and collaboration. Let's take a look at what's new. Redwood capabilities allow product managers to efficiently create and manage catalog and category hierarchies that organize product data enterprise-wide. Items can be easily moved to reassign to reflect evolving business needs, while native synchronization across Oracle SCM applications ensures consistent, accurate, and up-to-date catalog information throughout the suite. The new Redwood import maps ensures seamless mapping of product data from external systems into the corresponding fields of Product Management Cloud. Data stewards can efficiently create, manage, and reuse import maps, ensuring a consistent, streamlined, and reusable process for onboarding product data across the enterprise. In 26A, the Redwood Supplier Portal enables suppliers to directly upload products and digital assets. Configurable rules ensure product data accuracy and compliance from submission, while real-time collaboration and workflow capabilities accelerate onboarding, speed time to market, and strengthen partnerships between the enterprise and suppliers. The new intuitive Redwood interface enables product managers to efficiently create new variant items from product families. Built-in deduplication prevents errors, while configurable views display both variant and non-variant attributes. This streamlined experience enhances productivity, accuracy, and consistency in managing complex product variants. In 26A, users can create and manage trading partner items for all TPI types, including manufacturer, supplier, customer, and competitor part numbers, all from the unified search experience. You can add TPIs to the clipboard for faster navigation and more efficient parts management. The new Redwood Bill of Materials Summary View provides a consolidated and aggregated view of all parts and their quantities in a multi-level BOM structure. Users can now easily filter and analyze for completeness, supply risk, or compliance directly from the BOM screen, eliminating the need to export for further analysis. Users can easily see the parent lineage and quantities for any parts. The new Redwood Item History feature is essential for maintaining a detailed history of item changes. It provides visibility into who performed what action and when on product data, supporting robust data governance, traceability, compliance, and accountability in your product lifecycle processes. In 26A, we deliver guided tasks for mass data management activities, including assigning and unassigning of items to categories, item classes, and common structures to organizations. Redwood guided tasks accelerate high-volume updates while ensuring accuracy and adherence to enterprise governance rules. Now let's look at what's new in AI agents in PLM. The new AI component replacement assistant helps design engineers better manage product components. The agent auto-detects the item to be replaced, suggests alternatives, and performs impact analysis across your supply chain ecosystem. The assistant automates change order creation. Stakeholders receive notification, ensuring compliance and business continuity. Over to you, Derek.
Thanks, John. Let's now review the highlights in supply chain planning. With me today is my colleague, Temi Famadewa.
Hi, I'm Temi Famadewa, Senior Product Strategy Manager in Supply Chain Planning. Update 26A introduces enhanced end-to-end planning flows in Redwood, powerful new generative AI assistants that simplify complex decisions, and intelligent sequencing rules for flow manufactured items, advancing supply chain agility, automation, and operational efficiency across your organization. Let's see what is new. This update delivers enriched plan analytics. A new Redwood page in demand management controls the scope and scale of new product introductions. Meanwhile, supply planning can compare order dates and quantity changes between plans with just one click. It can also efficiently analyze how supplies peg to demand across multiple supply chain levels. There are 3 exciting new AI agents in this update. The Planning Order Release Assistant allows planners to spend less time combing through planned orders and more time on critical exceptions. By applying your business rules, the assistant immediately releases routine orders while highlighting only those needing attention, allowing for efficient and focused planning actions. Next up is the Planning Measure Expression Assistant. It harnesses generative AI to translate your business questions directly into robust, syntactically correct measure expressions. Just describe the analysis you need, and the assistant creates calculations. If errors occur, it explains them and suggests fixes, making KPI analysis accessible even to non-technical team members. Managing the broader sales and operations planning workflow is equally transformed by the Planning Cycle Assistant. This AI agent lets you retrieve, update, and assign tasks seamlessly from within your workplace, eliminating toggling and offline tracking so all stakeholders remain engaged, informed, and aligned throughout the planning cycle. Finally, Update 26A includes enhanced production scheduling to optimize flow manufacturing. Advanced sequencing uses flexible roles and item attributes to balance flows, minimize bottlenecks, and provide steadier throughput and greater predictability. Teams benefit from fewer workflow interruptions and improved on-time delivery, resulting in more resilient daily operations. Now let's look at what's new in the collaboration messaging framework. Collaboration messaging connects your supply chain process with your trading partners. The next generation of these capabilities greatly simplifies setup and maintenance of messaging connections. Users can also monitor the status of their messages using a refreshed Redwood user experience. There are also new AI agents that streamline the transformation of messages to standard formats. Thanks, and Derek, back to you.
Thank you, Temi. Let's now delve into Fusion procurement with my colleague, Tom Anthony.
Thanks, Derek. Hi, I'm Tom Anthony, Vice President, Procurement and Sustainability Product Strategy. In 26A, self-service procurement now offers smart purchasing category suggestions when creating non-catalog requests, using the request description to determine the best fit category. Requesters do not need to know which categories to select, which speeds up the submission process, reduces the likelihood of inaccurate categorization that would require corrective action, and also improves the accuracy of spend reporting. Whether you're in a supplies room or at your desk, you can easily search for products by scanning the barcode on the product packaging without needing to use the keyboard to search for information. If you have multiple products to scan, simply select the scan action again. This speeds up the order processing, minimizes data entry errors, and streamlines the requisition process. In 26A, preferred sources are available when requesters are adding items from shopping lists to their requisitions. Ordering from the best source for the organization ensures that negotiated prices are honored and cost savings are realized. This helps eliminate the need for administrators and requesters to maintain shopping lists when the source and prices are updated. The autonomous sourcing assistant automates the sourcing process for low-dollar, high-volume negotiations. The AI agent selects requisitions requiring negotiation that meet your policies for autonomous processing using values like category and amount. The agent prepares the negotiation, invites suppliers, and sends out notifications. Autonomous sourcing saves time and reduces manual effort while ensuring competitive bidding and policy compliance. You can now use the Redwood version of negotiation analysis and award, including support for guided journeys, business rules, and other Redwood components. With 26A, you can now complete an end-to-end sourcing negotiation in Redwood from creation to publish, receiving bids, analysis through award. We now use GenAI to generate summaries of attachments in purchase agreement approval notifications. Approvers can quickly review the key document details in a concise summary. The streamlined process improves the user experience and makes decision-making faster and easier. The new Contract Advisor provides users with a conversational experience to review contract details. Users can quickly clarify terms, obligations, and financial information without reading the full document. The AI agent speeds up contract understanding for legal, procurement, and compliance teams. Derek, back to you.
Thank you, Tom. Next up is supply chain execution, starting with what's new in inventory management. New and advanced inventory is the ability to allocate picks to specific license plate numbers during a pick wave. Inventory managers control allocation timing, prioritize full LPN consumption, and enforce reservations. The LPN locations are available on the pick slips to direct inventory personnel where to go. These capabilities improve picking efficiency, accuracy, and reduce operating costs by minimizing repacking and manual LPN selection. Let's now look at new AI agents in inventory management. The Inventory Tasking Assistant accelerates operator-to-task assignments. It identifies open work, evaluates operator skills, availability, and zones, and assigns tasks automatically or with manager approval. It factors in real-time priorities while also balancing work across zones. It also enables operators to self-assign tasks from prioritized recommendations. The Inventory Aging Advisor identifies slow-moving stock across items and locations. It assesses holding impact, prioritizes candidates, and recommends actions such as return to supplier, internal transfer, or inventory issues. It executes selected actions to free up space, reduce costs, and improve operational efficiency. There are many more AI agents in 26A, including the Inventory Reservation Assistant that enables managers to view, create, update, and cancel reservations using natural language. The Inventory Stock Advisor accelerates picking operations and improves inventory accuracy with targeted cycle counting. The Cycle Count Analyst reviews cycle count variances over time to surface item inventories that are consistently inaccurate. And the Receipt Creation Assistant aids in the creation of receipts using natural language. Using these agents helps you improve inventory accuracy, increase productivity, and streamline inventory operations. New in 26A, you can now display Kanban locations in the Item Shortages workbench for real-time visibility into stockouts and shortages. Inventory managers can identify issues faster, create Kanban-specific supply documents on the spot, and act immediately to minimize disruptions, improve Kanban replenishment efficiency, and boost overall supply responsiveness. Next up, let's review what's new in manufacturing. With me today is Elaine Wan. Over to you, Elaine.
Thanks, Derek. Hi, I'm Elaine Wan, Director of Product Strategy for Manufacturing and Quality Management. In the previous release, we introduced formula management as a core capability for process manufacturing. In 26A, we continue to enhance recipe management. Formula changes automatically synchronize with recipes, also known as work definitions, or in certain scenarios, send notifications for review. And the batch quantity can be calculated as the sum of contributing ingredients for accurate tracking of operation yield. Batch manufacturing enhancements offer precise control and tracking of recipe execution. Work orders are created using optimal work definitions for specific batch sizes, providing flexibility for different levels of production scale. When operation yield is applied to the calculated batch quantity, operators can report intermediate inputs and track intermediate outputs at each operation. This improves visibility into yield variances and enables timely adjustments for process optimization and efficiency. We've also enhanced core process execution with flexible modeling of physical production processes. Operators can now issue repeating ingredients within an operation using unique material sequences for detailed execution steps. They can also complete co-products and byproducts like waste across operations. And supervisors review and address exceptions before completing and closing work orders. This ensures accurate traceable records using electronic signature approval. Enhanced materials management for process manufacturing improves accurate lot tracking using dual units of measure, grade, and shelf life. Operators and managers can capture primary and secondary quantities to automatically create a lot-specific unit of measure conversion and track conversion history. Grade enhancements allow selection of material lots by grade and tracking of grade for product lots. And shelf life controls prevent the use of expired lots in manufacturing, improving compliance, traceability, and reducing errors. Now, let's look at what is new in manufacturing execution, which is delivered through smart operations. Operators are now able to check into and work at multiple workstations simultaneously, reflecting real factory floor multitasking. This capability streamlines operator time tracking and optimizes labor utilization. As a result, operators manage their work easily with clear visibility to production progress of all operations being executed. We also introduced new AI agents in 26A. The Operations Assignment Assistant helps supervisors resolve workstation issues in real time. The agent recommends available workstations for reassigning operations when downtime is identified. This automated task minimizes production delays so supervisors can efficiently utilize resources to meet shift goals for production. The Outside Processing Shipping Assistant enables supervisors to automatically generate and consolidate shipment lines for components and assemblies sent to suppliers. This AI agent streamlines shipping to minimize manual errors and ensures compliance, resulting in more efficient collaboration with suppliers. Rounding out 26A, we have a few new capabilities that completes the Redwood user experience in manufacturing. The new Redwood page streamlines post-production reporting for internal and supplier operations, allowing the recording of multiple work orders and their materials, outputs, and resources. Validation and reversal of production transactions help ensure accurate records for streamlining work order completion and close. There is now a modern Redwood experience for tracing product genealogy across all levels of the where-use hierarchy using lot and serial relationships. Quality managers can quickly investigate issues, streamline compliance reporting, and enhance audit readiness. Now let's see what is new in maintenance. Oracle Maintenance can now capture prediction and anomaly events from external systems to auto-create notifications or work orders, enabling condition-based inspections and interventions. This results in fewer reactive repairs, reduced downtime, higher mean time between failure, and overall equipment effectiveness. With this release, we're bringing a completely redesigned Redwood experience to maintenance programs. Preventative maintenance setups can now be standardized across organizations, ensuring consistency and reuse. We've also simplified modeling by allowing a single work requirement to serve multiple assets across items to simplify master data management. Finally, planners can preview forecasts before draft release, minimizing errors and improving scheduling confidence. Now, let's see what is new in service logistics. The new Service Parts Advisor leverages knowledge-based insights and service history to identify and order the right part to resolve a customer's issue. It enables service agents to quickly and easily find the right part for the job and automates parts ordering. This agent reduces manual effort and accelerates service response and issue resolution, improving overall service efficiency and accuracy. And lastly, let's look at new capabilities in cost management. We've built multiple AI agents for quick access to costing data across business areas. A maintenance manager can use this AI agent to estimate maintenance work order costs from planned materials, labor, and resource usage. The agent consolidates data into a conversational interface, enabling quick, accurate estimates to validate budgets, optimize planning, accelerate approvals, and support proactive cost control. Cost accountants can use this AI agent to analyze supplier accruals across business units against policy, flagging long-pending items for reporting or write-off. The agent delivers conversational insights and recommends entries, standardizing decisions and accelerating period-end close with compliant liability recognition. Procurement analysts and sourcing managers can use this AI agent to estimate landed costs from purchase order data by learning historical shipping, customs, and handling charges. The agent simulates scenarios across suppliers and charges, improving sourcing decisions and transparent budgeting with cost insights and comparative total cost evaluations. Thanks for your time today. Derek, back to you.
Thanks, Elaine. Now, let's examine what's new in 26A for the order management product family. The Sales Order Assistant has been further enhanced in 26A. Customer service representatives can now add subscriptions, coverages, and kits when creating orders without navigating the traditional order capture user interfaces. The AI agent now provides product comparisons and pre-order summaries to help customer service staff make more informed decisions. The agent also supports making price changes and provides need-by dates, streamlining order inquiries and updates. The purchase order to sales order converter agent automates the process of translating purchase order documents received as PDF attachments. The agent converts these PDF documents into sales orders and submits them automatically. If any attributes from the PDF cannot be translated or are identified as incorrect, the order exception agent summarizes these exceptions for the user. The user can then review and correct the exceptions before submitting the order. Over time, the agent learns from user corrections and improves its accuracy, enabling self-correction in subsequent orders. The order exception agent also highlights any attributes that have been corrected to keep users informed of these changes. This agent accelerates order creation, reduces manual effort and errors, and lowers fulfillment costs. New in pricing, administrators can generate price books from unified master data, including list prices, discounts, tiers, and customer agreements. Finalized price books can be published using standard or custom templates in multiple formats and for specific pricing strategies, products, or product categories, ensuring timely access and consistent pricing across channels and stakeholders. In 26A, we introduce an AI-powered configurable product agent that guides users through product configuration using natural language and adaptive recommendations. Users specify requirements in natural language, and the AI agent returns intelligent recommendations and clarification. The agent also provides multiple configuration options with side-by-side comparison, thereby enabling users to select the best fit. The agent produces finalized configuration output ready for use in quotes or sales orders, enhancing speed, accuracy, and customer satisfaction. There is also a new AI agent that enables product managers to run diagnostics to test product configurator rules. The agent highlights conflicts and provides summarized insights to accelerate debugging, ensuring higher quality, conflict-free rule sets for optimized product configuration experiences. Now, let's see what's new in logistics. Starting with global trade management, we've delivered a new Redwood user experience to streamline ad hoc restricted party screening. This new workbench simplifies data entry, enables multiple screenings in one session, and provides direct comparison of results. Users can save and print screening outcomes, supporting auditing and documentation for compliance purposes. In transportation management, we've also used Redwood technology to refresh the transportation mobile app. The updated mobile app provides a modern design with improved navigation and usability, leveraging Redwood templates for an optimized user experience. The use of Redwood also delivers a consistent look and feel, ensuring alignment with other Oracle mobile solutions. Let's wrap up the 26A highlights with warehouse management. We are very excited to introduce our first embedded AI agents for logistics, created in the Fusion AI Agent Studio. The Wave Research Advisor analyzes and summarizes Wave results, highlights issues and root causes, and provides actionable insights, empowering warehouse supervisors to quickly resolve problems and optimize Wave configurations and inventory strategies. We covered a lot today, but there are many more innovations in 26A that we didn't have time for. For more information on these additional features and 26A in general, please use these links or scan the QR code. At Oracle, we are committed to bringing you the functionality required to operate best-in-class supply chains. We're harnessing the power of emerging technologies like AI agents and delivering them in user experiences that are tailored to the needs of frontline and back-office staff throughout your supply chain organization. Working together with you, our customers, we're making supply chains better for everyone. Thank you so much for your time today, and I'll see you again shortly when it's time to shine the spotlight on Oracle Fusion Supply Chain 26B.